Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I have one Audio's Openrock X open ear air conduction sport earbuds, and today we're going to be unboxing them. So let's go and check them out. So this is what the box looks like. It has this nice design and we can see the earbuds on the front, a view of the case, and we have some descriptions on the back. So now let's open them up and see what's inside. So here we have the earbuds and a few accessories. So let's start with these accessories. And this is a keychain ring that you can add to your earbuds for an easy way to carry them. And we also have this box with a manual and a charging case. But let's put that away for now and let's open up the main thing, the earbuds. They come in this nice packaging, this recyclable paper, and this is the box. So this is what the case looks like. It has this nice design and it's metal all around, and it has a USB-C charging port on the back. And this is how you open them up. You just go to the back and click them once and you can pull out the earbuds. So this is what it looks like, and these are earbuds. So this is what the earbuds look like. They have this nice design with some metallic details, and it also has this hinge that allows you to adjust the earbuds however you want, with a 50-degree vertical and 35-degree horizontal range. And that allows you to adjust them and tailor them however you want so they fit your ear the best. The earbuds have a customizable physical button on them, which you can customize to different actions, like for example pausing the music, forwarding, rewinding, or even calling a voice assistant. The earbuds have two microphones on each of the earbuds, which provides a great voice call quality, and with their AI noise cancelling algorithms, it enhances the quality of the voice calls even further. In case you don't know what open ear earbuds are, it's basically earbuds that allow you to have awareness of your surroundings by passing through the sound and allowing you to hear what's going on around you. There's also an option to turn on spatial audio and other features in the Earbuds app, which allows you to enhance the sound quality even further. You also shouldn't worry about the water resistance, because the IPX5 water resistance rating will protect your earbuds whether it's an intense workout or a heavy rain. But that doesn't mean that you should necessarily go swimming with them. This is the Openrock app. It allows you to customize different features on your earbuds. For example, you can check the battery life, you can change different equalizer modes for different listening experiences, customize the gestures of your earbuds, enable or disable spatial sound, or even check the product manual of your earbuds. The earbuds have a 12-hour battery life without the case, and with the case you can get up to 48 hours of battery life, so you shouldn't worry about your battery running out during a workout. The earbuds come with a price tag of $169, and they offer different colors such as black, gold white, and orange. So with the list of features that the Openrock X's come with, like the long battery life, good voice and call quality, great water resistance, and a comfortable fit, I think these are some pretty good earbuds and will be perfect for someone who's leading an active lifestyle. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment, and also make sure to like and subscribe. But that's it.